Hold me till I scream for every and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, me.
This fall lantern collab is hosted by Kenya from Kenya's Decor Corner. All of her information will be listed in the description below. And the rules are as followed. So, on to the video. So this year I decided to use 3 lanterns, and they're all silver. They're all from Home Goods, and I am going to decorate them and style them. So let's get started. So I'm going to start with the baby of the pack. So this one, I want to be very simple to it. I don't want to do too much because the size of it, you can't do that much to it. So I have some garland and a pumpkin, guys. This little pumpkin really just beat me down. It did not want to stay like I wanted it, but at the end, guys, I got it in place exactly how I wanted it. So on this one, I decided to use the swag in it. This swag is from the Dollar Tree, guys. The very first one, guys, also that pumpkin was from Dollar Tree from last year. So I am doing all this decor very inexpensive. You just saw where I put the pumpkin inside this one, and of course it was a pumpkin from Dollar Tree last year. So now on to the biggest one. I decided to do this one a little bit different because it has so much space. But guys, believe it or not, this is not my biggest lantern. So stay tuned when I do my front porch, because that one is the biggest lantern that I have. So here I am going to add one fall leaf, the swag from the Dollar Tree. So I just want to place that in like a little circle. And this is my pumpkin from last year. And I took the top off because I didn't like it. So I just add a small pumpkin on top and one of my Dollar Tree pumpkins. So everything here, guys, you see, it was purchased last year. So now I'm adding a swag to the top of the lantern. In a few minutes, I will show you what the lantern looked like with the swag, and I did add a bow to it also. It's another video that's coming, guys. I'm going to show you I did take that off and did a little bit different, but you will see that. So just stay tuned for a little bit and you will see what the top of the lantern looks like. So guys, now here is what the lanterns look like. So now let's put them in place.
It's not my fault. You've been lying, saying that I took away your peace. Drowning by yourself, now you wanna blame me. Like you have no options. I ain't take your options. Now I'm not the problem, man, that's on you, yeah. You've been terrorizing me, yeah, I'm always wrong. I knew you lost your mind when you dropped that bomb? Girl, are you crazy? Yeah, you must be crazy. I've been thinking lately it's you. You stole your peace, put it on me, but baby, it's you. Lying like a ride, but take your stuff back, baby, it's you. Baby, it's you. What did you think? You could say whatever and I would never. Yeah. You've been flexing everywhere. Girl, look in the mirror. Man, you so dirty. Yeah, you look so dirty. You were never worthy. Lately, it's you. You stole your peace, put it on me, but baby, it's you. Lying like a ride, but take your stuff back, baby, it's you. Baby, it's you.
Thank you, Kenya, for yet another beautiful collab. And if you don't know about Kenya from Kenya Decor Corner, please do look in the description below with all her information, and please do visit her channel. Guys, you know what I always say at the end of all of my videos. Please like, comment, subscribe, thumbs up my video, and please do share it out. Tell a neighbor, tell a friend. And at the end, guys, you know, I gotta go, but I will be back. And until the next time, guys, have a beautiful Sunday.